Hello to all the remote rockstars and team leaders tuning in. Today, we are diving into an important topic in 2025, setting OKRs for remote teams, the ultimate guide. Have you ever wondered how high performing distributed teams maintain alignment, motivation, and results across multiple time zones while working from home? When you observe and analyze, it all comes down to a single powerful framework: objective and key results, that is OKRs. If you're leading a remote team, managing a product squad, or marketing your startup globally, this video will help you set clear goals and execute them effectively. So, let's get started. So, exactly what are OKRs? OKRs are a framework for defining what teams want to achieve and how they will measure success. The objective represents your inspiring goal. The key results are 2 to 5 measurable outcomes that show you have succeeded. OKRs help remote teams focus, align, and be transparent regardless of where their members are located. Why OKRs matter for remote teams? Now let's talk about why OKRs are a significant advancement for remote teams. Here's why they matter. Clarity in chaos. OKRs ensure that every team member understands what is important and what is not. There is no need for micromanagement. Alignment across time zones. OKRs ensure that everyone, no matter where they are in the world, are moving in the same direction. Motivation and autonomy. Clear goals provided people with purpose, whereas key outcomes allow them to figure out how to get there while working in their own personal zone. Last, focus on outcomes, not activity. Being busy can be confused with being productive, especially when working remotely. OKRs help you move from activity to impact. In short, OKRs help to structure your distributed culture. Now let's dive into how to set OKRs for your remote team. Step 1, start with the why. Make sure your goal is motivating and relevant to your mission. Step 2, set 1 to 3 bold objectives. Keep it simple. Remote teams work best when plans are focused and not fragmented. Step 3, define 3 to 5 measurable key results per goal. Make sure they are specific, time bound, and outcome based. Let's take an example. Objective: improve customer experience. Key results 1, increase NPS score from 40 to 60 by Q2. Key results 2, reduce support response time to under 2 hours. Step 4, cascade but don't dictate. Allow teams and individuals to align their own OKRs with company level ones. Bottom up planning improves engagement. Step 5, use the correct tools. UpRaise app by Ameboids, Asana, Weekdone, or Quan are some of the apps that can make OKRs tracking seamless and visible across virtual teams. Remote teams face unique and various challenges. Let's be honest. We have miscommunication, disconnected goals, a lack of visibility, and of course, Zoom fatigue. But there's a good news. If done correctly, OKRs can solve many of these issues. Here's how OKRs can help. Reduce back and forth by giving everyone common goals. Conducting quarterly or monthly OKRs reviews can help remote teams stay aligned. Make performance transparent so contributions are clear even without frequent check-ins. Fewer meetings are needed when everyone knows what success looks like. So, do you want your OKRs to stick in a remote setup? If yes, then you need to use this following guidelines. Keep check-ins consistent. Weekly or bi-weekly reviews keep track of progress without being overbearing. Celebrate wins publicly. Give shoutouts on Slack or team calls with key results are met. Be transparent. Publish OKRs to a shared document, a Confluence page, or your OKR tool. Embrace flexibility. If the market changes or a new priority arises, adjust OKRs. They're a compass, not contract. And last, include personal OKRs. Encourage team members to set growth oriented OKRs for professional development. It improves morale. Do you want to avoid this common OKRs mistake in remote teams? Follow these steps to improve clarity, alignment, and consistent progress. Setting too many goals. Focus on 1 to 3 impactful goals per cycle to maintain clarity and alignment. Confusing tasks with key results. Instead of making to-do list, define measurable outcomes, key results. Ask what does success looks like. Setting individuals OKRs without team support. Encourage collaboration. Combine individual OKRs with teams and company goals. Ignoring progress till the end of the quarter. Schedule regular check ins, weekly or bi weekly, to compare and adjust as needed. Last, using OKRs as performance reviews. Use them as learning tools. Encourage experimentation and growth, not judgment. Avoid this, and you will already be ahead of 80% of teams. Start simple, be consistent, and keep improving. Now, let's quickly review everything you learned today from this video. OKRs equal to objectives plus key results. They bring focus, alignment, and motivation to remote teams. Set clear goals and measurable results and check in regularly. Make use of tools, maintain transparency, and adjust as required. And last, if you stay clear of common pitfalls, you will see your remote teams flourish like never before. And yes, that's conclude your crash course in setting OKRs for remote teams in 2025. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your remote team. Leave a comment below with the biggest challenge your team faces while working remotely. Stay focused and productive, and I will see you in this next video.